Hey, Tyler, it's quite a change in tone from the first week of the year when tech was very much under pressure. It was short, though, but part of that sort of deflation air coming out was the air coming out of the Nvidia story. Export controls restricting China sales, reports that Chinese consumers didn't want its downgraded silicon. Now, that's still in the backdrop, but as BofA puts it this morning, Nvidia is just Nvidia. And by one measure, you could argue that the stock is still cheap. Consider Nvidia versus Amazon. Amazon trades at around 41 times its projected 12-month earnings, while Nvidia trades at just 26 times. Both of these are AI beneficiaries, but one undisputably dominates its market, while the other is still making its case to investors. Put another way, yes, Nvidia shares, they more than tripled last year, but that actually lagged fundamental growth of the business. Earnings nearly quadrupled. The tech rally this week, I also want to note that it is broader than just Nvidia. Other chip names, Marvell and Broadcom, getting some buzz out of CES and helping push up the semi-space. Software, too, settling into that new normal that we talked about earlier this week, and new opportunities emerging. The IGV software ETF up nearly 6% since Monday. And the deal chatter that continues to roll in. This week alone, we had HPE and Juniper. That was an unexpected deal. And there's now reports of private equity looking into PagerDuty and DocuSign. Now, of course, upcoming earnings, we've got to mention those. That could derail all of this optimism from this week. 2024 guides, they will be key. And that is where worries could come in anew and investors could start to take a hard look at some of these early gains that I just outlined. One name that I will end on, guys, Apple, after perhaps the roughest start to the year of all the mega caps. It also got some buzz this week. Goldman actually naming it a top pick into earnings. We broke down its AI proposition in our weekly deep dive. Be sure to catch that at cnbc.com/techcheckweekly.